Welcome back, friends. I'm sorry, due to some technical issue, I had to do the part two, and I'll be continuing from where I actually stopped there. So it is about the hard work we were talking about. Usually, what people think, or that's this is the belief in people that usually we do hard work and then we are successful. That in turn gives us happiness, which is not right, my friends. A person should be happy and putting his efforts with his passion that gives him success. Once he's successful, sales is a byproduct, my friends. So if you are happily working with passion, gives you success as a result, and in turn sales. Okay, now let me tell you one important point, my friends. Usually working today, resting tomorrow, and enjoying your life is what all elders talk about. And no one should actually work this way. That's what I feel. Because life is life is a process. Success is should be also a journey. It is also a process. Anyone living conscious life always is a winner, and he has smile, he is happy. So a person should be happy, smiling, and consistently putting his hard work, its efforts in doing things consciously. Right, let me tell you one thing. We work with conscious and subconscious minds. Everyone knows that. So 10% of works what we do are actually catered by conscious mind. Only 10%. And then the rest of the 90% is your subconscious mind helping you out doing your daily chores, daily works. Keep this in mind, my friends. We are going to work this full week on your subconscious mind. We're going to work on your habits, we're going to work on your patterns. So once you start working on this pattern, which will set your success as a journey till the rest of your life. Let me tell you, week 1 we are going to work on beliefs and in yourself. Week 2 is external things to do, and week 3 is implementation. You're going to execute it in this external world, and you're going to see the results, right? Then let me give you one important point. We are conscious beings, my friends, and this conscious helps us train our subconscious mind. Everything what we do on a daily basis forms a pattern, and this patterns we call it as habits. So if you have a healthy habit which is giving you a parameter to be happy and successful, then you just keep on following it. But but if your patterns are the same and you want to move from where you are to your best of yourself, and at least 30% of hike in your performance, then this course is for you. The third week is the implementation of tools and techniques you're going to learn with duplicable methodologies done by you, my friends. So I'll be facilitating you in using these tools and techniques, forming your methodology which can be duplicable by your teams as well, right? So we'll be going to work on your subconscious mind, as I've said. But to work on your subconscious mind, you need to start working with your conscious mind. What are you supposed to do with your conscious mind? Let me tell you one point. Though you are training your subconscious mind, it is totally dependent on your conscious mind, and this conscious mind can be trained, as I've mentioned, and that is nothing but habit forming. So patterns is the key to results, my friends. So you form a pattern which will give you success on a daily basis, then definitely you're a successful person, right? Some people say I'm working with motivation, and some say I'm working with my willpower. But how long can they go with motivation? How long can they travel with willpower? It is like a temporary, it's like a ram, but you need to have rom to keep on doing things. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Right. So if one can train their subconscious and keep following their patterns on a daily basis, success is part of their life and selling is a byproduct. Just remember this, my friends. Let me repeat it. If one can train their subconscious and keep following their patterns on a daily basis, success is part of their life and selling is a byproduct. Now, what are the six important habits or rituals you need to start working on to see this success on daily basis and be a successful person? As we brush our teeth, take shower, attend our nature calls, do our daily chores with your subconscious mind. We do it with your subconscious mind. You don't actually think about I have to brush, I need to do this, I need to move my brush through all the teeth. You don't do that. It happens. Similarly, your nature calls, they just happen. The work what you're doing on a daily basis, you have already trained your subconscious mind, so it just happens. Now you need to push yourself to start forming a new habits. When you're learning a bike, you fall because your subconscious mind is getting trained by your conscious mind. Your conscious brain is trying to help to form that habit. It is telling all your sense organs, your five sense organs, to get used to this new method, and your body gets adopted to it. And once your subconscious mind, it gets into your subconscious mind through your conscious mind doing it 2 3 4 times, then definitely you can keep on doing it for all of your life, my friends. Once you train your subconscious mind, then things are easy. It stays for you till your rest of life. So the six things what I want to tell you is what I'm doing. What am I doing on a daily life is I'm writing my gratitude journal. Every day in the morning, I write my gratitude journal. I repeat it. I write my gratitude journal. Second thing is meditation and visualization. So I do this on daily basis. You need to meditate for you to be as you need to throw away your toxics from your food you eat through your stool. Similarly, you need to throw away your toxic thoughts, negative in your brain through meditation, my friends, and have visualization to bring that positive vibes into your life. Then the third thing is reading books, right? You need to read books. I'm not saying that you read all the book today, but you need to have a habit of reading book every day. Maybe start with 5 minutes on a daily basis. Uh, just train your subconscious mind. 5 minutes is enough every day, my friend. You don't have to read chapters and chapters. You need to read a page, maybe. Whatever you can read, whichever is for you to do that. Then exercise. Keep exercising, right? I exercise on a daily basis. I started with only 2 or 3 minutes, then 5 minutes, then keep on increasing it. Once your subconscious mind likes it and starts doing it, you don't have to bother. It'll take care of it. So the starting initial stages is your bother. Till your conscious brain is working on it, you will be feeling it as an effort. Once subconscious mind takes over, then you'll not feel any pain. It is ease. Then the fifth one is speaking to people with empathy, right? Everyone you speak on a daily basis, or when you go to stranger, start speaking with empathy. This is what I started, and that has changed tremendously the way I look into the prospects of the situation. So I hope you also follow that and you will see the change, my friends. And the last, which is very important, is start writing a diary. Write the to do list in the morning and check that in the night. So these are the six rituals I want you to follow so that you are forming a success pattern. Once you form this habit, you are going to see success on a daily basis. Then, let me tell you one important thing, my friends. Now, as I've said, these are the six rituals you need to follow. How are you going to measure these six rituals? As I've said, gratitude journal, the first thing, gratitude journal, you need to write this gratitude journal on a daily basis. When you're writing this gratitude journal, you'll be noting it down how thankful you can be or how thankful you are for your breathing. Yes, your life, your friends, your family, things you do on a daily basis, things you're blessed with on a daily basis. All that you can put it in gratitude journal. You don't have to put something extraordinary, right? So once you start writing this gratitude journal, you will see the change and you can measure that. All these six rituals will bring change in your life, my friends. And how can you measure is with these things. You can measure your performance with your income. If your income starts growing, that is a parameter. Sales, your sales grow, that is a parameter. Building network, your friends list, your contact list improves, okay, that is a sign of your improving, of your growth. Then personal growth, you're reading books, you're learning, you're intellectually growing, your inner side is growing a lot. So that's very, very important. And finally, your leadership qualities, your charisma also grows. Charisma is three things, three C's, my friends. I've learned it by from PK Lee, my mentor, one of my mentors. He said charisma is combination of character, competency, and communication. So as you keep on building your network, you're communicating with them with empathy. Definitely, your communication skills will increase. Your competency will increase as your personal growth, your intellect is growing. And finally, coming to your character, all this is nothing but your character building, my friends. If your character is a successful, empathizing, duplicable methods, then people will like you. And now, for today, I want to give you some tasks, my friends. These are the two things I want to do. You have already done a task yesterday. I'm very happy for it. Today's task is write down six rituals you want to follow from today. These six rituals, which you will do it on a daily basis, any time of a day, it's up to you, till you fix a time where which is very useful for you. Okay, so write down six rituals in the notes for yourself. As I mentioned, you need to have a note, so you can write it down in your notes. And second thing is write down your goals. Yeah, the goals you need to write down. Once achieve these goals, you feel successful. I want you to write down each and every goal you have in your life, and we'll be discussing on that in coming week. So thank you so much. Do subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friends, whoever can be needing this. So thank you so much. See you again soon tomorrow. Bye.